Yeah, what's up? Welcome back to Carly Avis Boogalum, which I will rename soon.
Oh, you got
To Cole's Playtime.
He's also filming.
Okay, make sure to subscribe to me because I have more subscribers than Clint.
I have 4. You only have 2, which is me and Courtney.
Well, who cares? Let's go on to the
Are you
video.
filming on YouTube or just normal like video?
I'm filming.
Okay, then not.
Okay.
He's weird, guys.
Dude, I'm eight.
Wait, hold on, no.
I'm going to, today we are going to play with some, this is my cousin's room. She's a girl, of course. Of course.
Shush! I'm making a video. What? It won't let me record. My buttons don't work. Look.
Why?
Show me.
Her buttons doesn't work, and mine does.
See? Look. Try to. Wait. So it's very white.
I'm gonna ice up my wrist better when I dance. So look at me and put you on a trance.
Shut up!
Hurry up. Okay.
I keep on accidentally taking pictures. Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my cousin Cole and he's making a video on YouTube. And I'm not. So, today I'll be showing you. Do you want to do.
Look what just happened. She got
Cole,
No.
should I show my squishies or my slime?
So slime first.
Okay.
I made slime on my
I'm
grandma.
going to show you all my squishies in my next video. So, the first one I have is this Play-Doh cloud slime. You can show my squishies on your channel, and then you can show my slime.
This is whatever it is. I hate
Okay.
those things.
This is a Play-Doh cloud slime. It is very
Okay.
soft. And
What
yellow.
is this?
No, you're showing the squishies first.
Where are the squishies?
Right there.
Bruh.
Oh. There's more over here.
No, I just do these ones. All right.
No, there's just one more in here. Oh, I need.
All right. We'll be showing you some squishies.
Okay, guys. Just to be clear, I'm showing you.
I don't know.
slime.
Don't know what
Instead
this is.
Putty, not putty.
Jeez Louise.
This is a, like I said, it's a Play-Doh cloud slime. I'm gonna turn off the lights.
This is a rubber ducky. What a squishy.
I'm just gonna turn on my lamp.
Ah, flying duck.
There. They can see lights now.
And this is a cupcake.
Okay, so moving on to the next slime. Bye.
This is a cupcake. This is a cat. And this is a
Candy.
candy.
It smells so good.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Smell. Can you smell? Oh, can you?
So my next slime is this orange cloud
Can
slime.
you smell?
It's like
Okay, I
butter
get it.
slime. This one is more slimy. Sorry about the
Pizza,
the
my
background
favorite.
noise. So can you just chill out? No, go film in Corbin.
Corbin,
Yeah.
this is a unicorn, by the way. I'm out. I'm robbing this place. See you later.
No, bring these squishies so then you can squish them in front of them to see how squishy it is. Poop is literally about to come out of my boat. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. These freaking squishies. I am so freaking bad.
Turn off Don't listen to her in the background. This is my favorite. My favorite squishy. And I like to squish it because this is how squishy it is. I wish you guys feel. Okay. Sorry about the blue thing. Just don't look at that part. Alright. This is a photo. Look. That is my cousin's dog. This is a popsicle that kind of broke. And this is a dolphin.
Cool, did you restart the video?
I did.
Okay.
Alright. And this is, I don't know what that is. There's a sock in here. There's a worm in here. There's a poop in here.
That's squishy. I got one more squishy for you. Actually, two more.
Ow! Like I said, oh my gosh! A flying! Oh my god! It's a flying duck! A flying woman mermaid? I don't want to see that actually. And a big monkey! Give her a kiss. Alright, T. I'm done with the squishies. Alright. I'm gonna just take this, that, and let's go.
Show my jewelry. Are you already done with your video?
Yeah, but I'm still filming. Ouch. Alright, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications whenever I
And
post.
subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Quinn Garnan, look at her. She's making her YouTube channel. But it isn't. Look, she watches Linky Box. That's her YouTube channel. But I watch YouTube. Blah, blah, blah.
He's a little kid. I'll end it and then you do it again.